The hidden benefits of eating pumpkin every day. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate pumpkin every day? Could this simple seasonal fruit really make a difference to your health? Pumpkins aren't just for Halloween. They're actually packed with surprising nutrients and benefits. Research says adding a daily serving of pumpkin to your diet can do wonders for your overall health. In this video, we'll discuss the hidden benefits of eating pumpkin every day and reveal why this humble food might deserve a permanent spot in your diet. Before we jump in, please remember this video is here to inform, not prescribe. Always contact your healthcare provider for guidance on what's best for your diet and health. 1. Aid in digestion. Pumpkin flesh is full of nutrients and is good for digestive health because of its unique composition and high fiber content. However, a single cup of cooked pumpkin gives you around 7.1 grams of dietary fiber, a number that's important for keeping your digestion running smoothly and preventing constipation. Fiber is one of those foods that can help move food through your digestive tract smoothly, removing everything, and can also maintain regular bowel movements. That's right, it's a go-to food among those trying to better their gut health. In addition to the digestive benefits, pumpkin flesh has a type of soluble fiber called pectin. It's a natural prebiotic that feeds the beneficial probiotic bacteria in your gut and restores a healthier balance of microbes. According to Jenna Volpe, a registered dietitian nutritionist, people with sensitive digestion can eat pumpkin because it contains pectin, which is well tolerated on low FODMAP and IBS-friendly diets. Also, pectin promotes a healthy gut microbiome that results in an anti-inflammatory environment that may help relieve digestive discomfort and contribute to long-term gut health. 2. Help lower blood pressure. Bananas are probably the first food you think of when someone says potassium, but pumpkin is a really good alternative. According to the USDA, 1 cup of canned pumpkin has 505 milligrams of potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps keep body sodium levels in check and is useful in blood pressure control. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, points out that a diet rich in potassium helps lower the odds of heart disease and stroke. As you get more potassium, your kidneys can start to filter out extra sodium through your urine. It also helps to keep blood pressure down, particularly for people prone to having hypertension. However, it's important to know that too much potassium can be harmful, especially for people with kidney issues, since the kidneys may struggle to process it. However, for most people, adding pumpkin to meals can be a tasty and nutritious way to help manage blood pressure naturally. 3. Promotes healthy vision. One of the standout benefits of pumpkin is its remarkable ability to promote healthy vision. Thanks to its rich content of carotenoids, particularly lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene. These powerful antioxidants help filter harmful blue light and protect the eyes from damage caused by oxidative stress, significantly reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. A single serving of pumpkin provides more than the daily requirement of vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for maintaining good eyesight and essential for night vision. The red-orange pigment beta-carotene is not only responsible for the classic bright color, but is also a major reason why pumpkin is considered a nutritional powerhouse. 4. Supports immune function. Eating pumpkin daily offers a powerful boost to immune function, thanks to its rich content of vitamins and antioxidants. Pumpkin is packed with vitamin C, vital nutrient that helps stimulate white blood cell production, which plays a crucial role in fighting infections and illnesses. Additionally, vitamin A present in pumpkin strengthens immune defense and enhances the body's ability to fight pathogens. The antioxidants in pumpkin also help reduce inflammation, making it easier for the immune system to work effectively. These compounds can alleviate oxidative stress, which otherwise weakens immunity. By adding pumpkin to your daily diet, you're equipping your immune system with the nutrients it needs to keep you healthy and resilient, especially during cold and flu season. 5. Aids in weight management. Pumpkin is an excellent source for weight management, largely due to its high fiber and low-calorie content. A single cup of pumpkin contains only about 50 calories, but packs a significant amount of dietary fiber. Fiber promotes feelings of fullness, helping to curb appetite and prevent overeating. This makes pumpkin a satisfying addition to meals, allowing you to manage portions more easily. The fiber in pumpkin also supports healthy digestion, which plays a role in maintaining a steady weight. Additionally, pumpkin's natural sweetness can satisfy sugar cravings, making it a great alternative to high-calorie sweets and snacks. The water content in pumpkin also adds volume to meals without adding excess calories, allowing you to enjoy larger portions guilt-free. Including pumpkin in your daily diet can help you achieve and maintain your weight goals in a tasty, nutrient-dense way. 6. Promotes skin health. Pumpkin is a fantastic food for promoting skin health due to its rich combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The high levels of vitamin A in pumpkin support skin cell regeneration, improving skin texture and tone. Vitamin C in pumpkin is essential for collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, the beta-carotene in pumpkins acts as a natural sunblock by protecting skin cells from damage caused by UV exposure and environmental stress. Pumpkin also contains zinc, which can help manage acne and promote healing, making it beneficial for those with blemish-prone skin. The hydrating properties of pumpkin, thanks to its high water content, add a natural radiance to the skin. Adding pumpkin to your diet or skincare routine can be an effective way to achieve a glowing, youthful complexion and support overall skin health. 7. Boosts mood and sleep. Pumpkin can help boost mood and improve sleep, thanks to its nutrients that support brain health and relaxation. Pumpkin seeds in particular are high in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin, often called the happy hormone. Higher serotonin levels can lead to better mood, reducing stress and anxiety. Tryptophan also aids in the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. By eating pumpkin or its seeds, especially later in the day, you can help your body naturally wind down and prepare for restful sleep. In addition to tryptophan, pumpkin contains magnesium, which is known for its calming effects and can improve sleep quality. Magnesium also helps ease muscle tension, which may make it easier to relax at the end of the day. Including pumpkin in your daily meals can provide these mood-boosting benefits, helping you feel happier and sleep better. 8. Improves bone health. Pumpkin is great for supporting strong bones because it contains important nutrients like magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. These minerals work together to keep bones strong and prevent issues like osteoporosis as we age. Magnesium, found in pumpkin seeds, is essential for bone health as it helps the body absorb calcium, making bones denser and stronger. Another key nutrient, calcium, is well known for building and maintaining bone strength, and it also plays a role in keeping muscles and nerves working well. Additionally, pumpkin contains vitamin K, which supports bone health by helping proteins in the bone-building process and aiding calcium balance in the body. Eating pumpkin regularly provides these bone-strengthening nutrients, making it a smart choice for people looking to protect their bones. 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Pumpkins help reduce swelling and discomfort in the body, as it's packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which protect cells from damage and lower inflammation. These nutrients can be beneficial for people dealing with conditions like arthritis, where inflammation is common. Pumpkin seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. By eating pumpkin regularly, you can support your body's natural defenses against inflammation, making it a great food for promoting overall health and reducing risks related to chronic inflammation. Now the question arises, how can you incorporate pumpkin into your diet? Well, you can make a pumpkin smoothie by blending cooked or canned pumpkin with yogurt, banana, and a sprinkle of spices like cinnamon. You can also make a warm pumpkin soup by sautéing some onions and garlic with some pumpkin puree and vegetable broth, blending until smooth for a comforting dish. For breakfasts, try adding pumpkin to your pancakes or oatmeal for a seasonal twist. Another tasty option is to bake pumpkin bread or muffins to snack on, or to have for breakfast when on the go. For lunch or dinner, toss roasted pumpkin cubes into a salad with spinach and feta cheese, or mix some pumpkin into your chili powder for extra nutrition. You can even make your own pumpkin hummus by blending pumpkin with chickpeas and spices for a fun dip. With so many simple ways to enjoy pumpkin, you can easily add this nutritious fruit to your meals every day. How many pumpkins should you eat daily? Experts suggest that eating about a half a cup to 1 cup of cooked pumpkin daily is an effective amount for adults. This serving size provides a balanced intake of the key nutrients found in pumpkin, which offers numerous health benefits without overwhelming your diet. A half cup of cooked pumpkin contains only around 50 calories, but provides more than 100% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A. It also has about 3 grams of fiber, which helps you feel full longer. This portion size is easy to incorporate into meals, whether as a side dish, in a smoothie, or added to soups and stews. Are there any side effects of eating too much pumpkin? One of the most noticeable effects of excessive pumpkin intake is a condition called carotenemia. This harmless condition occurs when high levels of beta-carotene accumulate in the body, causing a yellowish or orange tint to the skin. Carotenemia typically appears on the palms of the hands and soles of the feet and can resemble a tan. Fortunately, it's not harmful and usually resolves on its own once beta-carotene intake is reduced. Additionally, eating large quantities of pumpkin at once can lead to digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and potentially diarrhea. Due to its high fiber content, fiber is beneficial in moderate amounts as it supports digestion. But excessive fiber can sometimes cause discomfort, especially if you're not used to a high-fiber diet. To avoid these effects, aim for a moderate daily serving. This amount allows you to enjoy the health benefits of pumpkin without risking potential side effects. As we wrap up our journey into the world of pumpkins, let's take a moment to appreciate all the wonderful benefits this vibrant fruit brings to our lives. From boosting our immune system to improving our skin health, pumpkins are truly a powerhouse of nutrition. Eating pumpkin every day can help keep our hearts healthy, support our vision, and even lift our moods. So, why not incorporate more pumpkin into your meals? Whether it's in a warm soup, a delicious pie, or even a smoothie, there are endless ways to enjoy this seasonal delight. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun and flavorful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful health-related content. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.